Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about the dictionary. Already I have given the brief idea of the dictionary in the data type section. Quickly we'll remind that first and then we'll look forward like what other operations we can do through the dictionary. So dictionary is if I'm going to create one variable fdict. So dictionary should be in the curly braces and this is kind of the hash map. So you can say that there is a key value relationship. So first we need to give the key. So I will like to give the key A and the value will be, let's say, 1, and again next key will be B and the value will be 2. If I'm going to print this dictionary, then we are going to get the result this. So this is pretty much clear, I guess. We already done that. How we can get the value through the key, we can take a look that one as well. What I'll do, f underscore dict with the key is A, okay, and the key is B. So we'll check for both. Here we are going to get the values. So this is, I guess, pretty much clear. Also in the dictionary we can have any kind of data type as a key, and any kind of data type can be the value. So we'll take some other we'll add one other key as well as a C, and here I would like to give some other data type, let's say list. Okay, now if I'm going to print this, then the result is this. Now if I want to access this 4, okay, from this dictionary, how we can do that? We can do with the several ways. So what we'll do, we'll take first list. So I will add that one variable, that is flist is equal to, from where I want from the dictionary with the key is C. Now if I'm going to print this f underscore list, then I would like to I will get the result list. Now this is a list. Now I want the 4. So this is on the index 0, 1, 2, 3. So if I'm going to write print f underscore list and the index 3, I'm going to get the result 4. But we can do that in a very simple line in one statement. I can write print f underscore dict and the key is C. Now the index is 3. See, now I got the same result 4. Here we are going to get first the list, and then on the list we are going to get through index the value 4. Here directly we have given, so every time it's going to be execute this first, and then with the whole expression Python interpreter is going to get the list, and based on that list we are going to the object which is on the index 3. So this is really very shorthand to do this, correct? Now we'll check about some more idea about the keys. So let's say I'm going to create one new dict, that is sdict, and the curly braces I will write in the good format so that you can understand about this. So as I have already mentioned that the key can be anything, so this time we'll take some different key, 1, 2, 3, and here I will like to give the 1, 2, 3 in the list. Now the key will be true. Fine, this is also data type, I can do that, and I will write here hello. Okay, now the next key also we can take that, okay, some string. This time let's say is well, okay, and the value would be true, let's say, because I have created this is underscore. So basically this is the naming convention mostly when we create any bool variable, so that's why I kept that key name as a is underscore. So let's print it so that we can be sure that this is created perfectly. Yeah, this is fine, this is totally fine. So we'll take just a example. I'm going to take like this, so that we can understand that we can have any kind of key as well. So what I can do, I can write here 1 2 3. In the next, I can write this as a true. Here I can write this as a as well. Okay, now I'm going to print it. I got all the values. So this is pretty much clear that we can have anything in that one. But what if I'm going to give list as a key? Any guesses, guys? No. I will do this vice versa. Let's say 1 comma 2, and the value is list. Let me execute it. So this is error because unhashable type list. So we can give the key only to those data type which is not hashable, okay, which is not iterable. So we cannot use the list here. So let me write can't use hashable. Cool. So I will comment this line as well, and I will remove this also, so that this is just for the reference and you guys can have a look for the future reference. Okay, what I'll do, I will create one new dictionary, this time userdict, which is more readable now. And let's say what userdict can have the name. So just create one key, that is the name. What will be the name? Let be the test. Awesome. Now test is the name. Now let's say this is a student, and so in which class he is. Okay, so he is in the class, let's say 3. So 3 will be the value. Now we'll print this as a user underscore dict, and we'll get the output the same. Awesome. Now here we are going to check some other methods of the dictionary by which also we can get the values. So let's say I want the value of the age, and age is not there. So we'll try to get some key which is not available for the dict, and we'll check that what is going to happen. So obviously that not gonna be work correct, because that age is not available. So what we'll do, we'll create the age. We can get the create the age key in this dictionary. How we can do that? User underscore dict. Okay, this will be the age, and I'm going to get the age is, let's say, 6 years. Okay, now let me execute it. Yeah, we can get this. So if any key is not available, then your program is going to be crash or going to give the error. And if you want to add a key after creation of the dictionary, we can do like this. This is the example of that. Also, let's say we have one user underscore dict. There is one function of the dictionary, that is get. Here we can give the key, and the key would be the age, let's say, and I'm going to print it. Then also I can get the value 6. So by the get method also we can get the value. And sometimes, let's say I don't have again some key is not available, let's say, and we want to give some default value. So also we can do with the same. So let's say if I want to give 8 here, so again we can get the value 6, because age is available, that's why we are going to get the value 6. But if age is not available, so we can get the value 8 as well. See, I have just changed this to age 1 and this 8 value. So because age 1 is not available in this user underscore dict, then it's going to give the result 8. So this is really cool. to solve this problem in where this age is not available, then we are going to get the error basically. So what will be the change in the user underscore dict? Any guesses, guys? See here, user underscore dict is same, so it's not mean that we are going to get the value 8 and this key is going to be append to that particular dictionary. This is not the case. Okay, also we can create a dictionary from the dictionary, and that we can do. Let's say I want to create the new user. What will be the way? So new user means user underscore dict, because I want to create one dictionary from the dictionary. So I can write the assign operator. Okay, so this is very simple, just like assigning a variable into the another way, and we can create one new dictionary and we can change it. So basically this is a duplicate kind of dictionary. Also in the Python there is a new way to create the dictionary. So let's say new user again, I'm going to take the same, and I want to just write the dict. This is kind of constructor which we are going to learn in future. So let's say this is the name is equal to value, let's say, and I want to print it, print the new underscore user. I got this. Okay, so by default this is going to be as a key and this is going to be as a value. Okay, that's awesome. So now again what I'll do, I will take this dictionary again and I will add the age inside that. Let's say age. Why I'm copying paste again? Because we can have a look like what operation we are going to get. So here we are going to get this dictionary. So as in the string, in the list, in the set, in the tuple as well, we saw that now we can use the operator in there to match the value. So we can do the same thing here as well. So what I'll do, print name. Let's say name is available in this user dict or not. We can do the same like that and we can get the value as a true because that is available. If I'm going to write the same like name one kind of, then this would not be available, so that is false. So we can do this as well with this. Also if I want to create one dictionary from the dictionary, then we can do the copy operator instead of this. So what I'll do, I will just copy paste here and user dict dot copy. By this way also I can create the new user dictionary. Also if I want to clear this dictionary, then we have a clear function which already we have used in the list, I guess. So in the new underscore user dot just clear method, use that and just print now the new underscore user. See the value, this is empty. So if you want to clear the dictionaries all keys and values, then we can use the clear as well. Also if we want to delete any key, so this is mutable, that's why we are able to do the add operations. So like that we can, like we have done here by adding the age, you can say here. So like that we can do the remove operation as well. So how we can do that, let's say this new user is empty now, so I'm going to use this user dict again. So I can write that, actually no need to write this print here. So user dict dot pop, we can use it, and the key name will be name. Now I want to print this user underscore dict. Check. Now in this dictionary we don't have the name key basically. Okay. Also we can use one, there is one more method, that is a pop item basically. So what it does, pop item, it basically remove the last key from that dictionary. So here if I'm going to execute this and going to print this user dict again, then you will check, you will see that this age, key and value will not be available. See, and again if you want to add it, just we saw that we can use the age. Where is that age? We can do like this as well, but there is one more method, that is the update. So we can use the update method as well, where what we need to do actually in that, obviously this is dictionary, so we need to give the element, and that element should be in the form of the key value. So again I am going to, just now I have removed the name, so I will add the name again, new name. And if I am going to print this user underscore dict, I missed something. Oh, sorry, this is invalid syntax because this should be inside the curly braces basically. Okay, because if I am not going to give this curly braces, it would be like a different format. So see here, user underscore dict, where we just now added the key name as well. Okay, I hope guys you really like this video and you learn something new in this, like what are the other operations we can do in the dictionary basically. Might be this is somewhat long video. So guys, if you really like this video, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.